Hello and welcome back. From this class, I'm just going to teach you some more things, and actually I'm just going to start making the CMS system. What is this folder? Actually, here I'm just going to the folder, and actually I just created a new folder named CMS, and inside this folder I just created a new file named index.php. Okay, this is the index.php, and you can see that I just attached the bootstrap.js, bootstrap.css, and the jQuery.js. Obviously, all of the files are not in the same directory. Actually, we have to go a little back to the directory to access on the bootstrap and the JS folder. So here you can see that I'm just going back, and this is the bootstrap and this is the JS. In this JS we got the jQuery.js file, and in the bootstrap we have another JS where we have the bootstrap.js, and here we have the bootstrap.css as well in the CSS folder. So this is really easy and really simple to access on these files. One thing more I'm just clearing that I didn't use the jQuery or bootstrap.js yet because this is not really important every time, but sometimes we have to use that, so that's why I'm just adding this, by the way. So now what I'm just going to do here inside the body, I'm just creating the header first for our CMS system, which will have a complete admin panel with beautiful ticks. So here I'm just creating that. First of all, this is not simply the header, this is a navigation bar as well. So according to the bootstrap, I have to type the nav bar. Okay, like that. Go to the browser and just dial the website localhost php/cms. Press enter. Okay, I did nothing because there isn't anything here, but here I'm just typing the CMS system. Okay, so let's just check it by refreshing. Now I got the CMS system. It means I'm on the right page. But what more I have to do here? I'm going to add a container inside the header. Okay, why I'm just adding the container? Because just adding the header element in a perfect manner. Okay, actually I'm not adding this whole header inside the container because I want my header full-fledged in the page. So now inside the container I'm just going to do some more things, and the first thing is a single a tag at ref, and here I'm just adding not here, actually here, and just cover that. Now here I'm just typing index.php. Save that. Here just type the site name. Actually, what is the name of the site? Simple CMS system. Save that, go to the browser and refresh that. Now I got this CMS system perfectly. Okay, and you can see that it is actually in the manner of container just because I just added the container inside the header. Let's just add some text here. CMS system again. Save that and go to the browser to check the result. I refreshed that. Now I got the CMS system perfect. Now something more I'm just doing here, pressing in space and just adding the new thing, which is actually called the clause, and here I'm just adding the navbar brand. Okay, navbar brand. Save that, go to the browser and refresh that. Now it has a specific color, actually I didn't apply the color. I'll apply that, by the way, but it has a specific size and specific width, and actually the specific margin and padding. That is perfect. Now I'm just going to the container, okay, or the header. Okay, not in the container. I'm adding in a space and just typing navbar inverse. Save that, go to the browser, refresh that. Now now you can see that the CMS system has a specific color, and I got the huge and gray black toned header. That is perfect. But you can see that in the corners it actually has some rounded borders. So I'm just adding another thing, the nav bar static top. Save that and refresh that. Now I got the static top here. So what more I should put in it now? The navigations. Okay, here I have to add the navigation. So where to add the navigations, the buttons? I'm just going here after the a tag. Okay, I'm just adding some more things. I am just directly adding the UL. Okay, and here inside this UL I'm just adding some LIs. li, and inside every li I am just going to add some href, the hyper references with a tags. So here inside I'm just typing home, duplicate it. Here I'm just typing articles, and then I'm just typing the contact us. Just correct the text. Now contact us. Save that, go to the browser and refresh that. I got the navigation, but this is looking really weird. So how to manage that? First of all, don't leave blank that, just add an hash. Okay, so refresh that. This is nothing new, but I'm just going to add something here in the UL class, and just declare that this is navigation area, not the complete bar, only the nav. Refresh that, go to the browser and refresh that. Now this is officially the navigation. Now you can see that, but actually this is not really preferred, or actually I have to do some more things here inside it. Press any space and type nav bar nav. Okay, nav bar is navigation area. Go to the browser and refresh that. Now I got the perfect navigation. This is more preferred. Okay, but actually all of them looking same. It means I have to do some more things. But right now I preferred to send them to the right side. Okay, nav bar right. Save that and go to the browser and refresh that. Now the whole navigation bar is on the right side, which is really perfect. I hope you understood that we didn't use any kind of technique of CSS, but we just created the perfect looking navigation bar using the bootstrap. This is a bootstrap. And by the way, if you just want to add a class of active, so go to the li, and at this time the home is active, so I'm just adding the class of active. And obviously we don't need to edit this active class, just simply refresh that. Now I got the dark black, I think I should say the dark gray, very dark gray color, okay, at the home. That means this is just the active. And at the last I'm just thinking to add another button, which should be the, duplicate that here, the logout button. Okay, log out. Save that, press and space. Oh, not there, actually space and logout. Save that, go to the browser and refresh that. Now I got the logout button as well. So this is looking really cool, and I'll teach you some more things in the next class. Actually we'll make some more things, so stay tuned and goodbye.